Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Justin Lin here at Rehab and Physical Therapy. We're here with another segment for a massage gun video. This one related to foot pain, plantar fasciitis, and how we can make our foot better, stronger, and less pain. So we're gonna get right into it. What you wanna do, especially with the foot, you wanna be able to find a good position. If you can cross your legs, generally I don't like any of you guys to cross your legs, but crossing your legs is okay if you're gonna spend, about 3 to 5 minutes doing this. What we wanna do is, a lot of times if you use the massage gun, you're gonna notice that I had a tough time trying to figure this out. My foot just kept moving. So with your other hand, you wanna fixate that. So we'll start with that. So the first one we're gonna start with is the flat head, just like that. You wanna put it, I like low setting. I don't think you need to do more than that. But if we're trying to relax the muscles, like our general rule is to go away from the center of our body. So technically it's just going this way. I would say what we're doing here is we're just doing a little fascial prep, a little soft tissue fascial prep. So you want to get the insides where the soles are. I generally have flat feet is what people will call it, but it doesn't stay flat. It actually has a small arch, and largely it's because we want to do a lot of strengthening. If you want to test if this actually helps out, you can try to grab things with your toes in the beginning and then do it a little post test for yourself to see if that helps. But like I said, you're going one direction. You want to just keep helping that one. Spend a little time there. Now, what you want to do after that is you want to prep this fat pad here. Now, I tried playing with this a little bit more, but I think this is a better way to do it. You want to use the bullet. So the bullet head, and you're just trying to, a lot of times the nerve is here, so you're just trying to blast it downwards. And so you want to kind of prep that as well. So you hold that, like I said, if my foot's moving all around, if I hold and grip my toes, I just want to go straight down. I just want to go straight down. So if it's tender on some of you guys, don't do this part. Sometimes it's inflamed on those who have the plantar fasciitis. So this is a good one right here. Boom. So I just like this little area here. You just want to kind of prep that because that helps reshape the way your heel hits the ground. Just a little bit there. You follow that along. Good. Now the next thing you want to do is get right into that plantar fascia. You actually want to strengthen or facilitate some of these muscles here. So, oh, that was a good catch. I actually like, this is actually for the neck, but I found this very interesting, almost like the perfect distance. If your plantar fascia is right here, you want to work around it and through these little striations, because we got those little toe muscles that go through here. There's so many, or foot muscles related. So we want to get right into that. So we want to facilitate. So facilitating is actually going towards your body. You want to go from as far as your body to towards. So we'll start right down the middle. We'll separate away from that. So yeah, it's just a more mindful way of doing massage gun. A lot of people out there, they just keep showing whatever this willy-nilly way of doing it, and you actually can hurt yourself. You're making your muscles a little bit more inhibited if you're just kind of blasting it.
I started blasting. Bang, bang.
With no direction, no intention. There we go. We're just gonna get all of this. Now an area we're gonna talk about in a minute is what, because you wanna facilitate certain muscles, you also need to train some of the muscles up in the calf to help your plantar fascia. So we'll do that a little bit briefly too. Kind of prep that. So good. So this is just one part of the equation to help your plantar fascia. And you just do that. Good. So a big one is you want to deactivate, you want to activate your soleus muscles, you want to deactivate your calf muscles, and then your outside here. So we'll just do it on my right leg instead. So you can do the soft head, but you can kind of quickly go into this bullet head here. So we'll do it on this side where we facilitate the outside. So So you want to facilitate these muscles here. You want to go this way. If you find it very sensitive, use a towel for a little barrier. You want to get through there. And work on these little intrinsic muscles through here. Good. You want to deactivate these calf muscles, so you go the other way. You want to inhibit away from the center. Good. And if you're doing the inner part right here, this can be very sensitive. So another barrier wouldn't be bad, but we're trying to facilitate. So remember, you're going from down up, and that's close to the bone. If you can't handle this part, skip this part. But this is more for a full, complete ankle stable structure. A more stable structure for that ankle, so your foot doesn't have to do the extra work. You're trying to displace and disperse the pressures. There we go. Then you want to deactivate this. There we go. And that's how you get the more complete plantar fascia solution with this massage gun. Great. All right. I can tell you I already test tried this technique, and I've tried a bunch of different ones that I tried to find the right formula. This one's the best by far, so give that a shot and let us know. Give us some feedback in our comments box below. Let us know if it helped. I think a lot of the mindful massage gun videos really helped a lot of the population zero in, get smarter, heal smarter, and not have to work so darn hard. So that's gonna be the key. Like I said, thanks to Ached Away. We're gonna link this actual massage gun video with the coupon code below in the description. So check that out. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.